Hey guys, it's Dr. Nicole Bonner with Healing Hands of Manahawkin, and we are back. And this month we're talking about anti-aging. And although you cannot stop the aging process chronologically, meaning every year you're adding a number to your age, you can slow down the aging process physiologically. How cool is that? In other words, you can age another year, but continue to feel younger, stronger, and more vitalistic in your body than ever before. Guys, question for you. What do you want your next 10 years of life to look like? As you progress in age, what do you want that to look like? What does that look like to you? Are you the go-to grandparent? Are you the grandparent that every grandchild loves and looks forward to spending time with? Because shoot, man, grandkids don't like to be bored. They like to be going. They like to be active. They like to be doing things. They don't want to be sitting around, right? So what are they looking for? They're looking for a grandparent that has energy in their body, that has mobility, that has agility, a grandparent that is looking forward to doing things and having fun. That's probably the number one core value of grandchildren, is probably fun. If you had to think of a number one core value that your grandchild had, I bet the word fun would come to your mind. The challenge is that many times as we grow older chronologically, many times people feel way older physiologically than what they are chronologically. In other words, you can have a 35-year-old man or woman who is chronologically 35 years on the planet, but they may physiologically feel like they are 65 or even 75. So we see patients like that all the time. In fact, I think one of the superpowers that we have in our office is we help moms, dads, grandmas, and grandpas restore their youth and vitality to their body so that they can be the parent that they know that God created them to be. They can be the grandparent that they desire to be. How many times have you had the desire to get down on the floor with your grandkids, maybe to play a game? Or if you're a grandpa, wrestle your grandkids on the floor. Or if you're a dad, getting out on the field and you just couldn't do it because you felt your body was breaking down and your body was unable to engage in these things due to physical limitations. So in our office, we have a motto, and our motto is to live life limitless. Live life limitless. And it's possible, guys. It's a possibility. You don't have to age and have your body break down. There are thousands, tens of thousands, probably even millions of examples out there of people who are in their 70s, 80s, and even 90s who are expressing good, a healthy, quality, active quality of life well into their chronological older years. All right. A great example, a woman that I truly admire. I've been taking care of this woman in my practice for probably over 20 years. Yes, I've been in practice that long. I've been in practice probably, I think about 23 years now. And this woman has been a chiropractic advocate and a chiropractic patient throughout most of her lifetime. And she is 91 years old. Lives completely independent, but she's not just going for the small thing of just being independent. She's going for the big thing. This woman is still rocking and rolling as a major realtor here in our area. And I can't tell you who she is because that wouldn't be good, but she is rocking and rolling, and she's still doing what she loves at high volume, at high performance at 91 years old. So that is the power of chiropractic. That's what we see in our office. And it's people like that that make me know that it's possible to continue to grow in chronological age, but slow the aging process in physiological in physiological age. Because see, here's the thing. We are living, breathing, animated organisms, right? We're biological animated organisms. What does that mean? That means that you have life energy piercing through your body. So you're either going in one or two directions. You're either going up, where you are on the vitality path, where you are alive and you have energy coursing through your body, or you're going down where the body is rotting inside. You're either living, you only have one of two options. You're either living or you're dying. So my question for you is, which one are you doing? And if you're not doing the choice that you want to be doing, what you're going to do about it?